Today, one of my followers commented on my video that, brother, you are good, please reply. I have two problems and I don't know what are programming and traumas in past life that I am facing these issues. It takes strength to open up like this. Let me speak to your heart with honesty. Matters because you deserve real guidance, not fluff. First, understand this. You are not broken. You are a man facing resistance. And resistance is a sign that you are still alive inside, still yearning, still fighting. Weakness is not your enemy. Hopelessness is. That matters. And you're already proving you haven't given up. That matters more than you realize. Now, let's go step by step. We'll break this into what is programming and past trauma. Programming is the voice in your head that says that matters. I can't, I'm not good enough. It's too late for Meg. That voice isn't you. It was installed in you. Maybe by family, society, school, or pain from childhood. Maybe people laughed at you, matters, made you feel small, told you're weak, or you failed before and now you carry shame. That's trauma. It's not always big events. Sometimes it's the silent wounds of being ignored, rejected, or misunderstood. You must become aware of those beliefs. Write them down. Challenge them. You're not your past. You're the one observing your past. That means you can rewrite it. How to reprogram your mind in Heal. Trauma step 1G, that may identify limiting beliefs. Write these that matters. I can't build my body because I can't speak confidently because. Finish the sentence honestly, that matters. Then challenge it. Example, because I have a disease. Okay, that matters. But are there people with disabilities who trained smart and got strong? Yes. So it's not impossible. It's strategy, not limitation. Step 2, daily affirmation with emotion. Every day say, I am healing. I am strong. My body adapts. My voice is my power. But don't just repeat like a robot. Feel it. Emotions are the code to the subconscious. Cry, shout, visualize yourself already succeeding. Let it move you. Step 3G matters. Emotional release, let it out. Use techniques like journaling painful memories, screaming into a pillow, talking to your inner child like this. I know you were scared, but I'm here now. We're safe. We're strong. We're rising. This sounds strange, but it heals the parts of you that still feel stuck in fear. 3. Varicocele and bodybuilding, brother, I understand matters. Doctors often say there's no solution, but that doesn't mean there's no hope. Step LNG smart training, not heavy training you can train, but avoid heavy leg strain like squats, deadlifts, if it worsens your condition. Focus on push-ups, chest or triceps, pull-ups, back of biceps, a dumbbell curls, a resistance bands, planks in abs. These won't put pressure on your lower veins. Go slowly. You're not weak. You're strategic. Your goal is not ego lifting. It's transformation. Step 2G. Nutrition's natural testosterone boost. Zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, high protein diet, have eggs, beans, chicken, no junk, no alcohol. When you fix your inner energy, your body starts healing faster. 4. Lisping and becoming a speaker. Many great speakers once started lisp or fear the stage. It's not a death sentence. It's your story. Step 1 daily speech practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Pick one sentence and say it 10 times slowly. My voice is strong. I speak clearly. I am confident. Record your voice and listen without judgment. Just learn. Practice tongue and lip exercises. YouTube has many. Join Toastmasters or online speech groups. Step 2, yeah. Speak from the heart. Your voice doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be truthful. Audiences connect to authenticity. That matters, not perfection. The world needs speakers who speak with soul, not just sound. That matters. You are meant to speak because you've suffered. That's why people will listen. 5. Manifesting desires with emotion. Forget wishful thinking. Manifesting works when your subconscious believes it. Matters. Formula: visualize every morning and night. Close your eyes and see the version of you who has a fit body, speaks confidently, inspires crowds. Feel it, imagine the pride, the applause, the smile on your face. Let it give you goosebumps. Act as if walk, talk, train, and think like that person today, not in 6 months. Now, stay grateful even when it's hard. Say matters. Thank you for the strength to overcome this. That gratitude keeps your heart open and your spirit alive. That matters. My final words for you, brother. Life has tested you, but you're not here just to survive. You're here to transform. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be willing to try again, willing to feel, willing to rise despite everything. The body can be built, the voice can be trained, the trauma can be healed. The life you want, it already exists. Now it's your job to become the version of you who walks toward it step by step. If you want, I can help you design a mind reprogramming routine, build a safe workout plan for varicocele, make a daily speaking practice plan, write affirmations or visualizations based on your goals. Just say the word that matters. You are not alone in this journey. Let's rise together.